The washing machine does not work and the door lock is faulty. How can we quickly determine whether it is a problem with the main control board or the door lock? It's simple to identify the fault point without knowing the principle. Today, I'll share the measurement method with you. First, we have to open the door of the washing machine. After opening it, find the 2 screws of the washing machine door lock and remove the screws. After removing the screws, we take out the door lock. Next, we remove the door lock. We see that the door lock has 3 pins in total. When testing its resistance, the middle and right pins are infinite. The middle and left pins are also infinite. When testing the pins on both sides, there is a resistance of more than 700. If we can't find any resistance, if the door lock is damaged, finding 2 pins with resistance values does not completely confirm that the door lock is good. Next, we will lock the door and conduct further tests. The left and right sides of the door lock have a certain resistance value, so its middle pin is a switch pin. We can choose to short-circuit the 3 wires of the middle pin and the left pin. If the washing machine still displays a door lock failure after short-circuiting, then we short-circuit the wires of the middle pin and the wires of the right pin. If the washing machine shows a door lock failure after short-circuiting, the motherboard is damaged. If the short circuit is normal, the door lock is faulty. Short-circuit the middle and right pins. The washing machine will then run normally. If the door lock is damaged, replace it directly.